Oh, man. All right. No intro today, guys. Let's just get into it. No, it's been a couple days since I posted, guys. I promise. I've been working on some stuff for this channel. I've been working on stuff with my house. And working on some other employment opportunities where I'm able to make some money because, guys, we are in unprecedented times, and I truly plan on going in on these markets. And, as always, guys, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that this bear market is really going to create generational wealth. And I think it's not just, my opportunity, but a lot of you, you watching this, your opportunity to really get ahead in life, and I don't know the exact coin or stock, and I don't know how long this bear market's going to last. And I want to go over some reasons why, because so check this out, guys. So the Fed has come out, and while they haven't officially announced we are in a recession, check out the CNBC article where they even say it. While 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth is technically a recession, other time-liar economic data are not consistent with recession. So, yeah, guys, so we are in a recession now. How long does a recession normally last? I mean, you could look at different metrics, how long recessions have lasted in the past. Could be 18 months, could be a year, could be like 6 months, I think was the shortest one. I'm not really sure. But, guys, my grandfather lived through the Great Depression. So, will we go into a depression? I don't know. But something I found interesting. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap because the markets are probably not responding how most of you would have thought. Now, let's look at, Bitcoin as always at 24,000. I bet a lot of you did not see this coming, up almost 10% on a week. Who saw this coming, guys? I'm going to be honest. I did not see this type of gain. Now, look, guys, we still could retrace back down. We are not out of the woods yet. I'm not saying we're out of the woods yet, but if you're trading these assets, look at Ethereum up, 13% on a week. Guys, we covered Ethereum on this channel. We covered Bitcoin and Ethereum on this channel. Bitcoin was at what, 17, 18,000 when we were buying. Ethereum was what, $700, $800 when we were buying. Look at these assets now. More importantly, guys, let's look at Polygonmatic. Let's look at Polygonmatic, up 13% on a week. Guys, we're buying Polygonmatic at like 30 and 40 cents. So these assets, I think that guys, I'm buying Solana right now, up 9% a week. I'm still buying Solana. Guys, Solana just opened a store in New York City. They opened like a full-fledged store in New York City. I'm probably going to fly there and do a video on it. But so anyway, what I'm getting at, guys, even though we are in a recession, the coins that make it out of this timeline, the coins that make it through this bear market, again, we don't know how long this bear market's going to last, but the coins that make it through this bear market are going to be, the Ethereums, the Bitcoins in terms of market cap, meaning that as Bitcoin continues to appreciate and hits these, all-time highs and record level market cap numbers, you're going to see these Polygonmatics, these Solanas, hopefully Chainlink, reach these valuations. It's just going to take time. It's going to take a little bit more mainstream adoption. Now, let's go ahead, guys. Let's go look. I got some of the top crypto news stories of the week. And guys, look, if you don't know, I was on Crypto Windio. So definitely check this out. Give Crypto Windio a follow, guys. It was a really awesome experience. Wendy is somebody I look up to a lot. She's one of the best voices for the crypto space. So it was awesome to go on there. And Andrew Wall killed it as well. So definitely y'all check out this video when you get a chance. And thanks again to Crypto Windio for having your boy on. Man, it was an awesome experience. All right, so check out this article, guys. So Ethereum will outpace Visa with ZK EVM rollup, says Polygon co-founder. So yeah, guys. So with these new rollups, using the Polygon network to help scale Ethereum. Again, guys, I'm not a programmer. I'm not somebody that has like a super tech background. I don't really understand what these ZK EM rollups are, but I do come from an ATM background and a payment. I own a POS system company, so I'm very familiar with payment processing and how those networks operate. So if we can create a payment solution that is faster and more scalable and cheaper than Visa and MasterCard, yeah, you're going to want to get your money in something like that, because just go look at Visa and MasterCard stock price. Look at how they've appreciated over the years. So definitely the business I want to be in. So anyway, so super bullish for Ethereum and Polygon as well. That's why we hold both of them in our portfolio. All right, guys, check out this CoinDesk story. So why we need NFT ticketing for sport and events. Verifiable tickets powered by blockchain tech can stamp out fraud and add value for fans. Major sport and events are now considering their adoption, says one startup in the space. So yeah, guys. So I'm sure if you go to NFL games, or if you ever been NBA games, there's a lot of people selling fake tickets. That's pretty well known. Be very careful who you buy tickets from on a secondary market, because we don't have really the best way to verify if they're fake or not. Basically, you get to the door and you find out you got a fake ticket. It's happened to me at a Saints game before. It's happened to friends, with concerts, buying fake tickets. So this to me is just one of the ways, the more practical applications of NFTs and crypto and blockchain technology that, most people can see and say, okay, that makes sense. And it's easily adoptable, meaning that these systems can be in place in the next year or so, and it's only going to build from there. So you won't just be sport events; it'll be concerts, and it'll be tickets to go to a graduation, or stuff like go to prom. All that'll be an NFT, because think about it, guys. Look at Woodstock '69. People still save those tickets. Oh, I went to the last Woodstock or whatever. So having those tickets kind of like collector's items. Perfect implementation of what the blockchain's for. All right, so let's go to the next article, guys. Let's see what we got. Check out this, investing.com. I have Bitcoin for the benefit of my kids, says Gibraltar MP. So yeah, guys. So again, we are seeing more nation states, more countries, more whether it's hedge funds, all adopting the Bitcoin standard. It's happening before our eyes, guys. We are in the midst of the fourth industrial revolution. Now, I get it. These markets are doing terrible right now. A lot of you are down a lot of money. I'm down a lot of money. But what I'm trying to tell you is that it's already been decided that, this technology is being adopted, whether you like it or not, whether you're losing money or not. The markets, what is going to happen is going to happen in this fourth industrial revolution. And it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter if your portfolio is green or red. This technology is taking over. We are moving. It's very similar to the internet, where, how many people said, oh, I'll never use Uber. Oh, I'll never make a Facebook. Oh, I'll never buy something off of eBay or Amazon. And look, now everybody's doing it from their phone. So technology moves fast, guys. And, no matter the technology, there's always people that are against it. And it just doesn't care what people think. It just is going to happen. Now, all right, next story. So Yahoo Finance posted this. Bitcoin and Ether are back on track for their best month since 2021. And this is super interesting to note, guys, because Bitcoin is up 28% just in July, and Ether up 70% in July through their rallies paused Friday. Both were little change, with Bitcoin at about 24,000 and Ether hovering at 1730. So yeah, guys. So in the midst of this bear market, if you're trading, there's money to be made. Now, shame on me, guys. I wish I would have aggressively taken profits more, because I've left a lot of money on the table. But I think in the long run, my HODL strategy will kind of work out. But this next cycle, I am going to be, basically, guys, when a coin gets to an all-time high, your boy's selling it. I don't care. I don't care how good it is. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic, if it hits an all-time high, don't wait for my video. This ain't financial advice. I'm selling, because I know if something hits an all-time high, we're going to see a strong and fast retracement. Now, next story, guys. Honduras launches Bitcoin Valley in the tourist towns of Santa Lucia. Yes, guys. So a man checks his cryptocurrencies app during the kickoff of the Bitcoin Valley project. So again, guys, this is what I'm talking about. More cities are seeing what El Salvador is doing. They're seeing the economic and tourist advantages to having these Bitcoin cities. And, we're going to start seeing more of it. Check out this, what is a CNBC Crypto World article. The death of easy money. Why 20% annual returns are over in the crypto lending. So, yeah, Voyager Digital and Celsius competed for users on APY, and a lot of the so-called yield they offered customers wasn't real. So let's talk about that again, guys. And again, guys, I fell into the trap. I had some money on Voyager. I did not have any money on Celsius. And I had money on BlockFi, but I remember like it was yesterday. I was choosing between going on BlockFi or Celsius, where I was going to stake my Bitcoin Ethereum. And really seeing this happen and seeing how bloody it got, how fast, made me really realize, like, wow, for that little bit of yield, even if it was 12 or 20%, whatever these firms were offering, which I don't think they were offering that on Bitcoin or Ethereum, but even say it was 10% for Ethereum. Guys, the asset literally doubled in value, in like a month. So, taking profits is the better strategy. And shame on me for not doing that. But again, guys, you live and you learn. You keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? Because again, I think my HODL strategy is going to pay off because I'm making bread right now and I'm stacking money and I'm buying every week and just hoping that we get out of this thing quick. And here's the last thing I want to show y'all, guys. I want to talk a little bit about the World Economic Forum and our good friend Klaus Schwab, who I cannot wait to have Klaus on the channel, guys. So the WEF, and again, guys, for anybody, listen, I don't care what your opinion of the WEF, if you like them, if you hate them, if you think they're the good guys, if you think they're the bad guys, they're telling you on their website, the World Economic Forum, blockchain, helping digital ledger technology reach its full potential. I mean, look at their website, guys. How blockchain accelerates small business growth and development, digital currency governance, how to predict where blockchain regulation may be heading, digital assets distributed ledger, how can blockchain principles improve ESG systems. They're telling you this technology is being adopted. Supply chains of the futures through blockchain, crypto and sustainable acceleration. Guys, this is the World Economic Forum. I mean, let's look at their partners. Let's really look at their partners. Listen, this is every corporation just about in the world is partnered with this. And they are telling you that blockchain, look, Bayer, the Bank of China, the Bank of America, these Boeing, these people are telling you that blockchain technology is in crypto is being adopted. That this is the future system. This is the future payment system. We are entering what Klaus Schwab calls the fourth industrial revolution. Look it up. Look these things up. Look up the Great Reset. Look up the fourth industrial revolution. Look these terms up. Look at every president of every country, just about, is a young global leader for the World Economic Forum. This is the direction they want to go with the world. Anyway, y'all, I'll do more videos on this topic. I'm rambling. If you made it this far in the video, drop me a 100 emoji. And guys, I'm going to keep dollar cost averaging. And if I make any big purchases, I promise I'll make videos on it. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. Peace.